I'm at Torrance, just south of Los Angeles. I don't have enough fuel to get back to San Diego, so I'm heading over to Hawthorne.
Okay, this is going to be a very short flight. Flight plan calls for 7 miles. Landing gear up, and we'll wait for flaps.
Gonna be at warp speed in this to go get Jet A.
Jeez, this is wild. Kept us so high.
I'm not sure actually if I could make it.
Well, you never have to land. A little fast. So the controller's not used to a Vision Jet coming in like that.
Torrance ground, Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor has Golf. I need to fly over to Hawthorne. If you can pre-coordinate anything to make it easier for me airborne, that'd be great. Ready to taxi.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, Torrance ground, only 29 right. Taxi Foxtrot Alpha Juliet, verify your information, Golf.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, taxi to 29 right via Foxtrot Alpha Juliet with Golf.
Vision Jet 5 Mike Victor, just want to verify you want to go VFR and I can give Hawthorne a heads up.
Yes, VFR, Mike Victor.
Roger, thanks for letting us know.
Thank you.
Okay, this is going to be a very short flight. Let's see how long it is. Flight plan calls for 7 miles.
Vision Jet 5 Mike Victor, I let Hawthorne know about your inbound. Let Tower know and contact Tower once you get on Juliet.
Okay, call Tower on Juliet, and then did you say something after you said that let them know?
Vision Jet 5 Mike Hotel, I'm going to let Tower know, but also let them know when you call up.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mike Victor. Call.
Transponder is VFR. This plane's going to take off fast today.
They're so light.
Yeah. No fuel, just us two. That's going to be fun. Flight controls. Trim set. Okay, flaps 50. Koga.
Torrance ground, swing 546, Juliet Bravo, clear, 29er left at Echo, request a taxi.
Just going to stick fly it the whole time.
546 Juliet Bravo, Torrance ground, taxi plane via Alpha Delta.
Taxi via
Left
Alpha
turn
Delta,
Juliet coming up.
546 Juliet Bravo.
Okay, we're taking off 29 right. On departure, it's going to be a right turn. And we're going to just proceed direct unless I say otherwise. See, the airspace butts right up to each other.
Flying 6 Tango Whiskey Roger, just remain out.
Is this going to be one of your shortest flights?
Class Bravo.
It will be the shortest flight I've ever done.
Oh my gosh, wow.
In a Vision Jet. It's a lot to do, but okay. Departure briefing, takeoff 29 right, any abnormalities on the roll, power to idle, maximum braking, rotate 85, at a usable runway. Gear up, climb to 600 feet, AGL, flaps up, and at 600 feet caps, sorry, got distracted, then 2,000 feet caps off, we're only going up to 2,500, it'll be right turn. I got tower in, 121.1, and it'll be quit switch, we'll be in the, it looks like at 45 into the left downwind, 25.
Departure.
Okay.
Contact SoCal, please.
You ready?
Let's do it.
Tower Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, home short 29 right, head to Hawthorne.
Vision Jet 225 Mike Victor, Torrance Tower, right crosswind departure approved. Wind 280 at 11, runway 29er right, clear for takeoff.
Right crosswind approved, 29 right, clear for takeoff, 225 Mike Victor.
Okay, now we're coming in. Finals clear. And whenever you're going to do a lot at once, take a deep breath. Get your capacity up. Okay. Feel that giddy up. 30 knots.
It's quick.
Engine in parameters. 60, no cast messages. 70, 85. Yee-hoo! Gear up. Landing gear up, and we'll wait for flaps 600. Okay, we're at flap 600. Powering back. Takeoff thrust.
Number 5, Mike Victor, contact Hawthorne Tower, good day.
Going to the tower. Good day, Mike Victor.
We're already with the tower.
Hawthorne Tower, Vision Jet 225, Mike Victor, just departed Torrance, 1300 inbound for landing.
Vision Jet 225, Mike. Victor, Hawthorne Tower, left traffic runway 25, report midfield.
Report midfield, left traffic 25, Mike Victor.
Okay, climb. That's all done. We don't have altitude. Then descent. Thrust lever is back.
Traffic of Vision Jet.
I'm going to put 50% flaps in to slow down because we are very close.
338.
A minute from the airport.
The run-up area
Brake pressure check. Good.
westbound on Sierra.
Approach briefing. We're coming in on a 45.
And runway 25 run-up taxi via
Yeah, left traffic. I was going to go up 2,500, but didn't need to do that.
Victor, maintain at above 1,600 until advised.
1,600 till advised, Mike Victor.
Okay, you see the airport right there?
2 Charlie Foxtrot, maintain at or below 1,100.
At or below 1,100, 2 Charlie Foxtrot.
Okay, we're at 1,600.
Continue downwind, you call my base, 2 Charlie Foxtrot.
Thank you, plane.
Oh, is that SoFi Stadium right there?
Yeah.
What? That's cool.
Okay.
5 Mike Victor, traffic is a Cirrus left downwind midfield at 1,000.
Looking for traffic, and we're just about to turn downwind now ourselves.
Roger.
Should I just go wide of him and I'm following him?
I'm actually going to have you inside of him. I'm going to have him extend on the downwind. Do you have him in sight?
Still looking.
Just bring it down my gear.
I have the Vision Jet inside Charlie Foxtrot.
Roger. 6 Charlie Foxtrot, continue on the downwind. I'll call your base 2 Charlie Foxtrot.
Nope, that's a
You call
helicopter.
my base Charlie Foxtrot.
Vision Jet, are you able to turn your base there? I'll call your descent.
Affirmative. Mike Victor.
5 Mike Victor, roger, turn base. I'll call you descent here shortly. You'll be inside of him.
Okay, turning base, Mike Victor. And don't descend yet, you said?
Don't descend yet.
I'm not sure actually if I could make it from here, Mike Victor.
5 Mike Victor, roger, continue on that one. I'll call your base here shortly.
Mike Victor, roger.
Okay. We're going to get some power in and get up. So he tried to turn me on way too close.
5 Mike Victor, base turn approved.
Turning base. And maintain altitude or go down, Mike Victor?
Maintain altitude.
Good Lord.
Hawthorne Tower, 796-531 at holding short 25, left.
5 Mike Victor, altitude restriction deleted. Runway 25 clear to land.
25 cleared line, Mike Victor.
Look at that airline right there.
Zulu Texas departing via Sierra.
Jeez. Full flaps.
Charlie Foxtrot number 2, runway 25 clear to land, base turn approved.
This is wild.
Charlie Foxtrot.
5311, hold
Kept
short.
us so high.
Hold short 2531.
Well, you never have to land.
338, you ready taxi?
You can always go around, but I think we're going to make it down.
Nice.
Okay. Now it's like nothing happened. Just nice and gentle and final.
How does the plane like lower?
Hold on, let me land. I'll tell you.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Two Julia Hotel Hawthorne.
Wow, that was
ground. I first clearance on request.
a little mechanical turbulence. Doing good. A little fast. Bleed that speed out. All right, all right. Yeah.
Mike Victor,
Wow.
enable taxi to parking via Sierra.
Parking via Sierra, thanks, Mike Victor.
No problem. So what do you need about 1 mile, 2 mile left base to make the descent from 1,500?
To be honest, probably be better at 3, but we made it happen.
Roger, thank you. Just want to know for next time.
No, thank you.
So that controller's not used to a Vision Jet coming in like that. Dude, that was crazy. What just happened?
Will it make for some good content?
I don't know. Like, it was like so fast, I just... Woo! Was it just like, oh, no big deal, or do you feel like things were going quick?
Like, yeah, that was like very interesting.
And he's like, okay, turn base. I'm like, I'm on top of the airport, I can't do that.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, with the airline coming across, it was like, what?
So many things. I can't even process it until later. We're here.
Got here safe, it's all that matters.
Yeah. Well, you just got to do something really cool. I don't know if you think it is, but to me, that was cool.